All right, we're at 1643 Rusty Rivet. Jake and Haley's is right there. This is currently the only active one on this street. Looks like there will be construction going up over here. And let's get inside. This one does have RV parking right here. Alright, when you enter, you're gonna come in, and there is these 2 bedrooms and a bathroom over here. This is bedroom number 1. It faces the front of the house. Here's the closet. And the bathroom for these 2 bedrooms. And bedroom number 2. Facing the side of the house over here. There's the closet in this one. And there's the front door. And we're back into the hallway. Here is the laundry hookups right here. And then you can enter the garage. Fully finished garage. Side door access. And then a coat closet here in the mudroom. All right. Now we're going to enter to the kitchen and living space. Got the open concept. Here in the kitchen. Here, little dining area over here. And then you're going to have living space right over here. There is storage on these islands right here. And then we come here is the pantry for the kitchen. And then you come into the primary suite. And you're facing the backyard, which backs up to nothing as of right now. And then you have your RV parking over here, and then a neighbor's side yard next to you. And here is the primary suite bathroom. And a linen storage here. There's your toilet. Big walk-in shower. Dual heads. And then you have your walk-in closet here. And I will take you guys out back. Here's your little concrete slab right here. Backyard. Hayfield right now behind here. Don't know the plans for it in the future, but it looks like it's still producing. And here is your RV parking. And that's it.